Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Malibu. Stock number is A7253. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with hand-cooked tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end. You do have a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.